Okay, yeah, for real. But a lot of people who want to learn how to drive are looking at this and watching. Good, your lane is almost open. And then I want you to go ahead and go inside lane. And then she's going to turn gently and accelerate. Hey, nice job. And then we're going to be back in that storm chasing situation because you need to know how and be smooth. So we'll stay in the left lane for now. And then you're going to notice the speed control is a little smoother. The speed limit here is 50. We were driving at about 40. It did clear up some, but now you're going to have the remnants of a lot of water, and people are going to start driving fast, like that car cut you off, and out of pocket.
What car? This car?
Yeah, that car.
He
Yes.
doesn't know where he wants to go.
No, but people tend to drive very erratic, and when they're riding in rain, see, they're kind of getting over too. So you have to use good judgment when you're out here. And I want you to hear this. You see all that water, and you can hear it. So there's still a chance for you to, sorry about the voice, you can still aquaplane or hydroplane. Hydro is water, plane means to lift or fly. But each of these tires will channel the water, and this is pretty good. So I would say drive in the middle lane because water will increase your stopping distance.